Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe with Cooking with TJ. Today inshallah I'm going to be sharing with you one of the best chicken legs recipe in the world. What is that? Honey glazed peri peri chicken legs. Let's get right through to it. Bismillah. Okay guys, so first I'm just going to show you the pre-packed chicken legs which I've already bought. They've been marinated in peri peri marination. It's quite hot, as you can see, hot marination. So yeah, I bought this from our local Tesco store. So you can get it from any store really. Asda, Morrison's, anywhere in the UK. So purchase this. In the process now of opening it up. Open it up. Do that with both packs. And then we'll just need to place it into the oven tray. And move on to the next stage from there. So here we are guys. So now we open up both packs, we just need to place them into the oven tray. Right guys, now that they've been neatly placed into the tray the way I wanted it, as you can see, perfection to its best. Now all we need to do guys is we need to squeeze on some lemon. Just give it that nice lemon taste to it. I like that. I don't know what it is, but I just like the lemon taste. But yeah, squeeze that on, and then what you can do from there is we can just wrap it up in foil. Wrap it up in foil. Obviously, use 2 halves as well, so you get the tray completely covered. You want the sides to be completely covered, and I'll show you what I mean later on in this video. As you can see now, I'm placing on the foil. Alright guys, now that the tray's been nicely sealed off the way I wanted it, we just need to place it into the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay guys, so after 40 minutes, take out the tray from the oven and take off the foil, and also check the chicken if it's being nicely in the process of being nicely cooked. In this case it was perfectly fine from the master chef TJ. Now guys, what we need to do is we need to take out the nice juice that's been emitted from the chicken whilst being in the oven for 40 minutes. So we're going to use that later on in this video, so I'm just going to show you that, so keep up for that. That's the main part of this video. As you can see, the nice lovely juices there. We just need to keep that to a side. Now guys, we just need to put back the foil back onto the tray and keep it into the oven for another 20 minutes. But if your oven's not good, then keep it slightly longer than that. Alright guys, now we're making on the main part of the ingredient, a honey glaze. So we need to add in some malted vinegar, just squeeze some in. However much you feel is appropriate for you to add in, so add that much in. Now guys, you need to add in 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, so add that in. And now just give it a nice mix. As I always say, my famous word, well combined. It has to be well combined. Now guys, it's time to add in some honey. We need some of that honey. So add some honey in. It can take a bit of time to actually add in the honey, because you know how honey is, it's quite sticky, and you know it takes time for it to come out the actual part that you have it in and stuff. So you know what I mean guys. So just add it in. However much you feel like is appropriate for you to add that much in, and then just give it a nice mix. Once again, it has to be well combined. I was going to say guys, keep it on medium to low heat as well. Don't keep it on high heat, it'll just make it sticky. So now guys, you can see it's nice, like, you know, it's not sticking on completely to the spoon. It's like got the slightly sticky and wet type of texture to it, which is what we want. So that's now ready. Now it's time to get out the tray of the chicken. Now guys, just open up the tray for the chicken. We definitely know that it's going to be cooked. Oh wow, that looks amazing guys. So you can see that the chicken's come out brilliantly the way we wanted it to come out. Now the only part left is for us to drizzle on that honey glaze marination. So just nicely pour it on. If you have like a brush or something like a cooking brush, you can use that to get it into the corners, into the bone of the actual chicken. So you know the taste will be amazing. You can taste it a lot. So now that's done, we need to place it back into the oven for another approximately 10 minutes on low heat. and then the dish would be complete. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, boom, there's your chicken legs, honey glazed peri peri chicken legs. Mashallah, subhanallah, it looks amazing. Glory be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, we've been given this beautiful food. So guys, as always, you know, it's been a pleasure to host you lot. It's been a pleasure to share this recipe with you guys. You know, I really appreciate your support. If you can like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, post it on your Facebook, post it on your Instagram. I really appreciate if you do that, guys. As always, until next weekend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.